This tutorial will walk you through the steps for configuring the Workspot Enterprise Connector. In Workspot Control, navigate to Setup, then Cloud, then click Add Private Cloud. Provide a name, then click Save. Click into your new private cloud configuration. Click on Add Connector. This will provide you an integration key. Copy this integration key. Now log in to your Windows Server machine that is domain joined. First, add your Enterprise Connector service account to local admin of your Windows Server machine. Right-click, then select Computer Management. Under Local Users and Groups, click on Groups. Double-click on Administrators. Click Add and enter your service account. Click Apply, click OK, close your window, download the Java installation and install it. Now run your Enterprise Connector installation. Click Yes when prompted. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Install. Provide the integration key from Workspot Control. Provide the domain of your service account. Provide the username and password. Click Next and wait for completion. Click Finish when completed. Now navigate to Workspot Control. Refresh the page. Now the status is Connected. To integrate with Active Directory, click on Configs, then Add Configuration. Provide the name. Select the configuration type Active Directory. Finally, click Save.